Assalamualaikum, welcome back guys. So in this video we are going to continue our lesson. Previously we have built the zakat calculator, but the UI you can see that is not perfect yet. So we have to improve the UI of the page. So let's start. First we're going to go to for the zakat homepage first. We need to improve this page first before we move to the detail of the goal and the money zakat. Okay, let's go to this deep shark, and then let me improve the UI. Okay, now let's try to check how the UI look like when we ask them to generate it. So you can see now this is the homepage of the zakat. We have two type of zakat, but the problem is the UI is just the text. There is no color or no of the cat and so on. That's why we need to make it nicer than before. Okay, now the code is complete. Let's try to copy the code and paste it here. Make sure if there is some error here, you can see that. So try to fix this, which means that this we don't need the con. Just remove the con and this one as well. Alright, so let's try to refresh. So yes, now it's looking good for this UI. You can see that when I open this, it's look like this. So it's perfect. But let's move to the next one. Is the zakat money. So in the zakat money, it's just something like this. So we have to improve as well. Let's go to zakat money here and copy the code and let's paste it here. So they will create the consistent of the UI as well. So when we improve the one UI, it will be built the same and the similar one. This is the perfect and the benefit of the deep shark. But you can also use the ChatGPT. For me, I like to use the deep shark because of the actually it's free and it has a good perfect of writing the coding. While ChatGPT they try to cut out to short out the coding instead of make it the long of the coding. But sometimes the short one is the best. For me, I like the deep shark for the UI. Okay, now it's complete. Let's try to copy and paste it here. Now there is also some error here, the nisab and so on. So what we need to do is we need to go to the controller of this and then copy, ask them to improve the controller as well, because the controller is missing some of the element here. That's why the zakat money is error here. So let's try to check. Now they have built a new one of the controller for us. I'm going to check it and just wait for a while because of the deep shark. Mostly it takes long than ChatGPT, but yeah, the patient is the good one. Okay, just wait for a while. It's almost finished. So this is they have add on the some of the currency as well. And let's try to check. Maybe there is a good one for this. As long as there is no error, we accept it, because this is the AI generated. We cannot make it 100% perfect. So let's try to go to the controller and paste it. And now let's try to see. It's still getting error of this. Yes, there is some error. Let me try to check again why. Maybe there is some error here. Let's try to copy this again. Then go to the controller and paste it. And next is the, let's try to fix the error of this. Why there is error? Because there is a 3 error here after NISAP. Okay, just wait for a while, they will generate the new one. Okay, let's try to see. It take it a bit long because of the, maybe they try to improve UI to be more better and better. That's why we have to be patient and wait for it. Alright, it's almost done. Okay, let's try to copy this. So I hope this will be aligned with the controller, since they understand already. Now you can see that there is no error anymore. Let's try to save, and I think there is also error on the goal. That's why there is the problem. So we have to improve both at the same time. Otherwise, we cannot save and see the update. So just wait for a while. We do both. Okay, I hope there is a good one as well for the goal UI. Alright, there is something quite long for this, but I hope you will learn on this UI as well, because mostly we need to check on how the UI work, and the ChatGPT and the DeepShark mostly they try to, to make a user experience better. That's why when we create, sometimes our idea is less than them, so that's why we have to wait for this. Okay, let's copy and paste it here. So now no error anymore. Let's try to save. Okay, you can see that the zakat is here, but there is some error coming here. And let's try to see the goal. Yes, the goal also happened. I'm going to check the here. You can see that what is the error of this. So this is the error. I'm going to copy this and let them understand what is the error of that. So which means that now they will fix the money, zakat money, and at the same time they will also try to uh, update this as well. So you can see that now is it's look good, but let's check it first. Okay, so now we have completed the coding. Let's try to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it here. This is the money. Yes, so let's try to repress it. Okay, this is the money. Yes, now you can see that we have improved the UI, and let's try to test it how it's work. Yes, so now you can see that it's working. So let's also fix the goal. You can see that there is a second of the goal, there is a red arrow at the bottom. So okay, now it's finished, so let's try to copy the code and come back and paste it here. Let me check. Okay, now the error is gone. Let's try to test it. Maybe I have 100 gram of the gold and the price is 500. So let's try to calculate. Okay, now you can see that this is how the calculate the zakat work. So we have done this. This is the UI of the money and at the same time also the gold.